Nobody admits it, but everything everyone does is about status. The car you drive, the clothes you wear, even the way you talk, it's never just about what you like, it's about where it places you in the hierarchy. This is day 7 of Decoding Human Nature. People will do anything to climb. Lie, betray, humiliate themselves. But the real secret? They'll do even more to avoid falling. If you make someone feel like they're losing status, they'll beg to prove their worth. They'll sacrifice their values, their pride, even their freedom. Control what people perceive as high status, and you control their desires. Tell them what's cool, what's elite, what's exclusive, and they will chase it without question. Because in the end, people don't fear being wrong, they fear being irrelevant.